Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 2011, find value of variable after performing operations. So this is another array question. So we'll go through this problem, understand this problem with some examples, and we'll also implement our Java solution. So let's start. There is a programming language with only 4 operations and one variable x. Plus plus x and x plus plus increments the value of the variable x by 1. Okay. And plus minus minus x and x minus minus decrements the value of variable x by 1. Initially, the value of x is 0. Given array of strings operations containing a list of operations, return final value of x after you perform all the operations. Okay, so this is what the problem statement says. Operations.length can be maximum 100 and it will only have these 4 operations, right? Okay, so let's try to understand this with some examples. So here minus minus x, it will decrement the value, so it will become minus 1. After that you are incrementing the value, so it will become 0. Again you are incrementing, it will become 1. So finally the value will be 1. Okay. Here plus plus x plus plus x and x plus plus. So 3 times always incrementing, so it will become 3. So this is the problem, right? So this is the simple coding problem. So and the solution itself is very simple. It's just a Java solution. I'll show you just now, so it will be clear for you guys, right? So find final value after operations is what we are implementing. Operations array is given to us. Answer is 0 in the beginning. We'll go through each operation and we are actually going to check the character at number 1 location, right? So number 1 location you will always check. So for example, you have 4 operations, so number 1 location is always telling you whether it's a plus or minus, correct? So plus or minus. So number 1 location, right? Because it starts with 0. So if it is plus, you will add it, right? If it is minus, you will subtract it basically. So it means that adding 1 and adding minus 1. So subtracting means adding minus 1 basically. So at the end, your answer will give you the final variable value, right? So so for loop, it means that order of n is your time complexity. We didn't use any extra space here, which means that this is a constant on space solution code. So run this code, make sure this compiles and runs correctly against the test cases. So we are getting correct answers 3 and for the third one 0. Submit this code to the Leetcode, make sure the code gets accepted by the Leetcode, and as you can see the code is successfully accepted. 100% on the performance. Very good code and solution. This is the problem 2011, final value of variable after performing operations. So I hope you like this Java solution, a very easy solution. So we have just used the number 1, which is the character at the number 1 location, right? Because it starts with 0. So we can easily solve this problem. I hope so if you are new to this channel, don't forget to give a like for our video and subscribe to our channel. This channel you will find all latest and greatest lead code questions solved and explained here with examples for your easier understanding. More than 600 different varieties of solved coding problems are available guys for you here. That includes all important coding questions varieties and questions asked by Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Google, Meta and lots of big companies in their past interviews. And we came up with important playlists that you should watch right now. The names of those playlists on this channel includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problem solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply DFS and BFS on graphs, matrices and trees. You can also use this channel to learn more data structures, and the important data structures playlist are stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array list, linked list. So everything is here guys. Go through this playlist, you will learn a lot from this channel. If you are a Java consultant, there are important videos that discusses frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions, where we discuss frequently asked telephonic questions about core Java, Java J2E, Spring, Hibernate, JPA, and auxiliary technologies. Those are very important ones because firstly, we get the telephonic round. So make sure you watch those Java related videos. They will definitely help you out. And if these videos on this channel are helping you, then write down in the comments. It increases our motivation to create more such good quality content for others. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe and share it with all your friends, and have a great day ahead.